long drive with Pradeep bhai. We stopped by to a restaurant which is entirely driven by women. The women are running the show here. It's amazing. So I am doing my own meetha. आपका नाम?
मेरा नाम जीवा.
My name is Priscilla.
सब काम करते, चाइनीज बनाते.
I am a retired teacher. After my retirement, I am doing in my restaurant some help.
मेरा नानी एकदम आपकी तरह है. सब काम करती है. वो भी चाइनीज बनाती है. बहुत अच्छा खाना बनाती है.
Sometimes I will sit in the cashier account. Sometimes I will do the works.
सब कुछ बनाते, मटन, चिकन.
Like serving and cleaning the vessels. Whichever work I can do, I will do that my level best.
हमारा क्या ये तो हमारा आदमी खत्म हो गया. बच्चा लोग की शादी हो गया.
कहाँ है बच्चे?
बच्चा दूर में, उधर ये.
When did you stop teaching?
Stop teaching 31/5/2050. This one is my son-in-law started in 2009.
Okay.
I come here every day. After retirement, I like this job very much.
You're
In a job?
giving food to people.
Yes,
It's a good job, yeah?
yes.
Feels
I
happy.
can, yes. I can meet so many people.
And just like Priscilla auntie, we too used to meet a lot of people with amazing stories. And mostly over food breaks.
शराब का बॉटल होता ना 5 पी गया था पूरी रात में. पीछे मुड़ के देखते तो सफेद कपड़े नहीं दिखते थे.
भारत में ऐसा सिस्टम होना चाहिए जो रेप के अपराधी है इनको डायरेक्ट फांसी दिया जाए.
6 बच्चे एक में.
पकड़ से कह सकता हूँ 3 लड़कियाँ मेरी.
जितने मेरे सीट में पाल ली इससे ज़्यादा मैंने चाहिए.
क्या बात है?
Like this food joint, where we stopped by on our way to Rameshwaram. We met this really interesting guy out here. So while I was talking to the owners of the restaurant, they were busy paying attention to this old man who had popped out of nowhere.
क्या हुआ इनको क्या हुआ? वो तो अभी पैसा तो छोड़ेगा था.
So I used to have a little trouble understanding what Lakshman said. So I decided to ask the old man myself. So he looked old, worn out, and he was definitely asking for something. And then I learned that he was asking for a job. And Lakshman gave him a job in a minute. I mean, this was the quickest recruitment I had seen in my life. No resume, no work experience, no interviews. सीधे नौकरी.
अभी आपने उनको नौकरी पे रखा. हाँ तो उनको बुलाओ जरा.
And then in 1 minute, this old man surprised me.
Your name?
My name is Shub.
Hello, Mr. Shub. My name, hello, Mr. Daniel. Okay.
Daniel, hello Mr.
9th standard reading, no money problem, stopping what will work anyone.
Which none of us were expecting.
Paisa?
Paisa na?
Age is 65, 65 age.
65. You don't have money?
Money is sleeping. Paisa is
Money is stolen.
Krishandur bus stand. Cell phone, Nokia cell phone, 8,500 money. Only bag, only one.
I didn't really know this man, लेकिन उसकी हालत देख के और बातें सुन के, anyone would want to believe him.
1 time, 2 time, no eating. Morning, evening. No eating. Okay. Yes. I am 10 years school reading English.
You know Tamil?
Full Tamil. English. Konja. Tamil.
Okay. Good to meet you, Daniel. All the best. Eat this food, and then God will be blessing you. God will help your brother.
At least Daniel and I could have a decent conversation. Unlike so many down south, with whom it would be so hard to even have a basic conversation. Sometimes I would have to use my phone to just explain basic things.
मेरा नाम शुभ है.
Like this guy would never understand anything I said in the first go.
शुभ दिवाली जैसा था मालूम है. दिवाली मनाते हो? दिवाली.
See, I told you.
नहीं मनाते. उधर होता है तमिलनाडु में. नहीं. दीपावली. हाँ दीपावली. हाँ मनाए. तो शुभ दीपावली होता है ना तो शुभ. समझे? ये खत्म कर लूँ सर मैं. आपका नाम क्या है? गौरव. you'll have to come and help. Tamil, but I don't understand Tamil. आप यहाँ कितने टाइम से काम कर रहे हो?
जगह का नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम यासिन.
Initially, we thought Hindi was the problem, or maybe those who never got access to education. But thanks to our drone case, we saw this side too.
हिंदी इंग्लिश तमिल में लिखते गए इंग्लिश में आता जो ये तो गलत है और हिंदी में बोलना चाहिए कम से कम. पुलिस बहुत मैं खुश हूँ बट खाली कोई मेरा बात समझे तो थोड़ा इजी लगे. मुकेशी
गौरव चौहान.
इधर एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है लैंग्वेज. नहीं ऐसा हो सकता है कि एक भाषा बोले जो हर कोई बोलता है. अगर हिंदी सीखने में तकलीफ है और यहाँ का लिटरेसी रेट बहुत हाई है तो सबको इंग्लिश सीखना चाहिए.
When Hindi people come and speaks in Hindi, I can't understand and I can't supply correctly, properly. I go and call that Jivaka, come and help me. She will help me.
So basically carry a translating assistant everywhere you go. Like we had Pradeep bhai.
ആ രണ്ട് മക്കളും മരിച്ചു.
मतलब दूसरा कोई इनकम नहीं है ना.
And then I thought that if people living in the south had to travel up north, they too might face a similar problem. So I asked the teacher itself.
Education is very important nowadays. I didn't learn Hindi, so now I am suffering so much.
अगर कोई बाहर से आए और उससे बात ही ना कर पाओ तो लिटरेसी रेट का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. ये मेरी दरख्वास्त है गवर्नमेंट से, स्कूल से, एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशन से कि आप उनको हिंदी सिखाइए या इंग्लिश सिखाइए, कोई एक ऐसी भाषा सिखाइए जो आप मुझे सिखाइए ताकि मैं उनसे बात कर पाऊँ, वो मुझसे बात कर पाए, क्योंकि ऐसे तो बहुत तकलीफ होने वाली है. And if we could solve this one simple problem.
Everyone can understand everyone properly.
But sometimes you may not find the other person speak your language. And yes, language is indeed a barrier. But humans can break barriers. And in my trip across India, I tried doing my bit too. This is my brother Snai. He's going to teach me something very interesting today in Kashi Bhasha.
India ball kincha makka.
India na wall kincha makka.
आराम से युक्तम शुरू से युक्तंगलम
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒರ್ವರೆ
सब हिंदुस्तानी अपना देश ला साफ रखना चाहिए. मनातून मिळवायचं असेल ते आम्ही मिळवतोस क्या मिळवतोस. दीपेश साहू ने सिखाई. दीपेश साहू मुझे सिखाई से मोला सिखाई से.
तो हम पूछेंगे गुरकुंडा कहने से चाहिए है ना, इस टाइप से और भी कुछ बताएंगे आपको.
बोलो धीरे धीरे मुझे सिखाओ. Ajinglekhut, Kalunga Badakam, Kadonga Deban, Sumarkhut, Edumulin, Banshamarkhut, Barbania Lekhut, Uleshbun. सफाई बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है और हमें अपने पूरे देश को साफ रखना चाहिए.
So what if Lakshman thought I looked like a terrorist?
हवाई जहाज से शूटिंग करता हूँ. वो उड़ा रहे थे तो पुलिस ने हमें पकड़ लिया. सोचा हम आतंकवादी हैं.
तो देखने के लिए तो टेररिस्ट है, इसलिए ले तो तुम्हारे लिए पकड़ने के लिए जाएगा.
क्यों?
तुम्हारा फेस तो ऐसे है.
फेस हमारा टेररिस्ट जैसा है. ऐसा फेस है मेरा.
Or I hit his assistant with a chair. What matters is we eventually smiled together. Whether it was this old man, or this little girl, or these kids who were never clicked before, or this fisherman, no matter how old or young they were, we would still sign off as buddies. When you can't speak each other's language, you then speak the universal language of expression. Joy, sorrow. And that's exactly what my 30-day trip taught me. The language of love. The human language.
All the best for best trip with me.
The meal at Priscilla Auntie's restaurant was worthwhile. I at least had someone who thought the way I did. 10 minutes to 7 day 2. कुछ लोगों को मिलके पहली बार में लगने लगता है कि यार जरूरी है ऐसे लोगों का होना और ऐसी सोच का होना. And as we head to Kerala, this is where our Pradeep bhai is from. Exhausted and drained, with a lot of difficulty, we booked a hotel at Kovalam for the night. Day 2, 10 minutes to 11. So the nearest spot from Kanyakumari or Tamil Nadu to visit was Kovalam in Kerala. We ended up in a restaurant which was entirely run and driven by women. So yeah, it was a good day overall. But as in how we are progressing forward, I'm just getting to realize that this is not going to be easy. It's going to be getting tougher than what I imagined it to be. #trip with me. Day 2 signing off.